how to find motherboard model number in laptop or PC. Hello guys, my name is Abdul Hamid and you're watching Gossipfunda. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find motherboard model number in any PC or laptop. So let's start without wasting any time. Please note this command before I start my video. WMIC baseboard get product manufacturer version serial number. This command will help you to know your motherboard's model number. So now let's start this video. First method. First open laptop or PC and then go to search bar and search CMD command prompt and open it. Now after opening command prompt, all you have to do is type in the command which you have noted earlier and press enter. Now after pressing enter, you can see manufacturer name, product number, serial number and version number of your laptop or PC. The product number which is given on your screen is your motherboard model number. Second method. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Now type in the command msinfo32 and press enter or OK. Now you can see your motherboard's model number and other information has been appeared on your screen. The baseboard product is your motherboard's model number. Third method. First, press Windows plus R. Type in the command dxdiag and press enter or OK. Now your required information has been appeared on your screen. Fourth method. First, visit cpuid.com and then select and download setup. When the download is finished, open it and install it. After installation, open it and your required information will appear on your screen. I hope this video was useful. Now, for more such kind of videos, subscribe our YouTube channel Gossipfunda. And do not forget to like, share and comment in the video. Thank you for watching Gossipfunda. Now, for more such kind of amazing videos, visit our official website gossipfunda.com. And even APKs available on Google Play Store. So you can download it from Google Play Store or you can download it from gossipfunda.com. Thank you for watching this video.